Good morning, everyone! Are you looking for a smart home investment in Metro Manila? Good news! Mira by RLC Residences is located in the Mirasol Street, Barangay San Roque, Cubao, Quezon City. And this is the dress-up unit for 2 bedrooms.